Want to make $500 a day? Of course you do. This is about leveraging the power of Telegram, the messaging app with over 700 million active users. We're talking about Telegram bot marketing. It's about using simple automated bots to connect with potential customers, promote products or services, and watch the money roll in. Ready to start digging for gold? Let's go. Imagine waking up every morning checking your phone and seeing $500 or more in earnings. Sounds good, right? That's the power of Telegram bot marketing. Businesses all over the world are already leveraging Telegram bots to skyrocket their sales and explode their customer base. And the best part? You don't need a massive budget or years of marketing experience to get started. In this guide, I'm going to break down my proven system for making $500 a day or more using Telegram bot marketing. We'll cover everything from setting up your bot to driving traffic and converting leads into paying customers. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities. Let's be real, nobody likes doing things manually. That's where Telegram bots come in, automating your marketing efforts 24/7, even while you sleep. Think of these bots as your personal army of digital assistants. They can handle everything from greeting new subscribers to answering FAQs, processing orders, and even delivering personalized content. By providing instant personalized interactions, you create a seamless user experience that fosters loyalty and drives conversions. Forget outdated marketing tactics. Telegram bots are the future of online engagement. Ready to unleash their potential? Let's dive in. With over 700 million active users, Telegram is a bustling metropolis of potential customers. But unlike other crowded social media platforms, Telegram offers a unique advantage, a direct line of communication with your audience. Telegram users are known for being highly engaged and receptive to marketing messages. This opens up a world of opportunity for businesses of all sizes. From creating custom keyboards to sending targeted broadcasts, the possibilities are endless. Telegram is your marketing playground and the opportunities are ripe for the taking. Now I know what you're thinking, $500 a day, that sounds too good to be true. And you know what? You're right to be skeptical. But here's the difference. I'm not selling you a dream, I'm sharing a proven system. This isn't about overnight riches, it's about building a sustainable online business using the power of Telegram bot marketing. So, are you ready to stop dreaming and start earning? If the answer is yes, then keep watching. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of building your Telegram bot empire, let's talk about the essential tools you'll need. First and foremost, you'll need a Telegram account. If you haven't already, head over to the App Store, download Telegram, and create your free account. Next, you'll need a bot building platform. Some popular choices include BotFather, built into Telegram, ManyBot, and ChatFuel. These platforms provide a user-friendly interface for creating and managing your bots without needing any coding experience. Finally, you'll want to get your hands on some basic analytics tools. Understanding your audience and measuring your results is key to optimizing your campaigns and maximizing your earnings. Now that you have your tools ready, it's time to arm yourself with knowledge. A basic understanding of Telegram bots and marketing principles is all you need to get started. Familiarize yourself with the different types of Telegram bots, such as chatbots, content bots, and e-commerce bots. Learn about essential marketing concepts like target audience, lead generation, and conversion rates. These principles apply whether you're marketing online or offline, and they'll be crucial to your success with Telegram bot marketing. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go. The beauty of Telegram bot marketing is its accessibility and low barrier to entry. One of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing your niche. This is where you'll focus your marketing efforts, so it's crucial to select a market that's both profitable and aligned with your interests. Think about your passions, skills, and areas of expertise. Research different niches and identify those with a large and engaged Telegram audience. Look for markets with a high demand for products or services that can be easily promoted and delivered through a bot. Choose wisely, and you'll set yourself up for long-term success. All right, let's get down to business. Before you launch your bot into the Telegram stratosphere, you need a solid plan. Start by defining your bot's primary goal. Will it be a customer support bot, a lead generation bot, an e-commerce bot, or something else entirely? Next, brainstorm the key features and functionalities your bot needs to fulfill its purpose. Finally, map out the user journey. With your blueprint in hand, it's time to bring your bot to life. Thanks to user-friendly bot building platforms, creating your Telegram bot is as easy as pie. Head over to your chosen platform, BotFather, ManyBot, ChatFuel, etc., and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Start by giving your bot a catchy name and a unique username. Next, define your bot's commands and responses. This is where you'll program your bot's conversational flow, ensuring it provides helpful information and delivers a seamless experience. First impressions matter, especially in the digital world. Your bot's welcome message is its virtual handshake, setting the tone for the entire interaction. Make it count by crafting a warm, welcoming, and informative introduction. Start by greeting new users with a friendly tone, addressing them by their name if possible. Clearly state your bot's purpose and the value it offers to users. Provide clear instructions on how users can interact with your bot. Now that your bot is up and running, it's time to spread the word and attract a loyal following. Leverage the power of cross-promotion. Share your bot's link on your other social media profiles, website, email signature, and any other relevant online platforms where your target audience hangs out. Tap into the power of Telegram groups and channels. Join relevant communities in your niche and engage with members, providing value and subtly promoting your bot when appropriate. Create valuable content that attracts your target audience. Telegram broadcasts are a powerful tool for reaching your entire subscriber base instantly. But like any marketing tool, they need to be used strategically to avoid overwhelming your audience and turning them off. Segment your audience based on their interests, demographics, or engagement levels. Craft compelling broadcast messages that capture attention and drive action. Use strong headlines, engaging visuals, and a clear call to action to encourage users to interact with your bot or take advantage of your offer. Find a balance between staying top of mind and respecting your audience's inbox. Engagement is great, but ultimately, you're in this to make money. The good news is that there are countless ways to monetize your Telegram bot and turn those subscribers into paying customers. Explore affiliate marketing. Partner with businesses in your niche and promote their products or services through your bot. Sell your own digital products. Offer paid subscriptions. This creates a recurring revenue stream and fosters loyalty among your most engaged users. In the world of online marketing, data is king. Tracking your Telegram bot's performance is crucial to understanding what's working, what's not, and how you can optimize your strategy for maximum profitability. Monitor your subscriber growth. Track how many users are subscribing to your bot over time. Analyze your engagement rates. Track your conversion rates. Congratulations! You've built a successful Telegram bot business generating a cool $500 per day. But why stop there? With the right strategies, you can scale your operations and turn that $500 into $5,000 or more. Invest in paid advertising. Expand your bot's functionalities. Continuously add new features, content, or products to keep your audience engaged and attract new subscribers. Build a team. All right, enough talk. Let's roll up our sleeves and build a Telegram bot together. Live and direct. First things first, open up your Telegram app and search for the BotFather. Type /newbot to initiate the process and follow the BotFather's prompts. You'll need to give your bot a catchy name and a unique username. Once you've got that sorted, the BotFather will generate a unique API token. Now let's head over to a bot building platform like ManyBot. These platforms provide a user-friendly interface for creating your bot's functionality without any coding. We'll set up a simple welcome message and a couple of basic commands just to give you a taste of what's possible. And there you have it. You've just created your very own Telegram bot. Pretty cool, right? This is just the beginning though. You've built a bot, that's awesome. But here's the deal, it's not just about having a bot, it's about having a bot that people actually want to talk to. Think about it. If your bot is as exciting as watching paint dry, nobody's going to stick around. You need to make it engaging, addictive even. How? Let's break it down. First up, ditch the robotic monotone. Nobody wants to feel like they're talking to a machine. Inject some personality into your bot's responses. Humor, wit, even a little bit of sass can go a long way. Next, keep the conversation flowing. Don't just give one-word answers or generic responses. Ask questions, offer choices, and create a dialogue that feels natural and engaging. Remember, people love to talk about themselves, so give them a reason to. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats. Text is great, but why stop there? Incorporate images, GIFs, videos, polls, quizzes, anything that captures attention and keeps users entertained. Okay, you've mastered the art of engagement, but let's face it, we're not just here for a friendly chat. We want results. We want our bots to work smarter, not harder, and rake in those sweet, sweet conversions. First and foremost, optimize your bot's speed and responsiveness. Nobody wants to wait around for a slow bot. Ensure your server can handle the traffic and that your bot's responses are delivered instantly. Every millisecond counts. Next, leverage the power of data analytics. Don't just guess what's working, know what's working. Track your bot's key performance indicators such as engagement rates, conversion rates, and user retention. This valuable data will guide your optimization efforts and help you fine-tune your bot for maximum impact. Finally, never stop testing and iterating. The world of Telegram bot marketing is constantly evolving, so what works today might not work tomorrow. Continuously experiment with new strategies, features, and content formats to stay ahead of the curve and ensure your bot remains a lean, mean, converting machine. Even the most well-oiled bots can hit a snag sometimes. Don't panic, it's part of the game. Pros know how to troubleshoot bot blunders like a boss. First, check your API token. If it's incorrect or expired, your bot's DOA. Ensure your bot's privacy settings are correct, it needs the necessary permissions. Now let's talk about debugging. Don't ignore error messages. Examine error logs and apply fixes. Reach out to support if needed. Congratulations, you've tackled those bot blunders head on. But the journey doesn't end there. Your bot needs regular maintenance to stay in tip-top shape. Keep your bot's software up to date. Platforms release new features and bug fixes. Monitor your bot's performance closely. Watch key metrics like response times and error rates. Early detection prevents major headaches. Ensure your bot can handle growth. Encourage user feedback for continuous improvement. We've covered a lot of ground, haven't we? From understanding the power of Telegram bot marketing to building and optimizing your bot for maximum profitability, you're now armed with the knowledge to conquer the Telegram world. Let's recap the key steps to unlocking your $500 a day potential. 1. Define your niche. Choose a market you're passionate about and that has a hungry audience on Telegram. 2. Build your botcraft an engaging, user-friendly bot that provides real value to your subscribers. 3. Grow your audience. Leverage cross-promotion, content marketing, and Telegram groups to attract a loyal following. 4. Monetize like a boss. Explore affiliate marketing, digital product sales, or paid subscriptions to turn engagement into earnings. 5. Optimize and scale. Continuously track your bot's performance, make data-driven decisions, and scale your strategies for exponential growth. Remember, success with Telegram bot marketing isn't about luck. It's about taking action. It's about implementing the strategies you've learned, experimenting, adapting, and never giving up on your vision. So, what are you waiting for? The world of Telegram bot marketing is brimming with opportunity. It's a level playing field where anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection can build a profitable online business. Don't let fear, doubt, or procrastination hold you back. Take that first step, create your bot, and watch as your Telegram empire begins to take shape. Remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. Share your progress, ask questions, and let's celebrate your successes together. Now go out there and crush it. The future of Telegram bot marketing belongs to those bold enough to seize it.